How to change age on Cash App. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change age on Cash App. First of all, you want to open the Cash App on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here, scroll down. Then you want to tap on the support option. Now you want to tap on this chat option. The Cash App support chatbot is going to open. Here, you simply want to contact with the customer service agent about your age. Now, you simply want to type in that your age is not correct and you want to change that. Provide the appropriate and valid reasons. The customer service representative will ask you to provide some details, and they might also ask you to provide your documents. After all of that is done, your age on Cash App will be changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.